Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a few ways how we can fix if your JBL Charge 4 is not charging. The first thing can be that you can have faulty adapter and you just need to repair it by yourself or just buy a new one or try a different kind of one. Then the second thing that can happen is that you need to change the different outlet in the wall. So this is something that you can think about that possibly you need to change. Now the next thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to work out for you, what you need to do is when you're going to turn it on, press the Bluetooth button with the turn on button, like the volume up button, at the same time for like 5 to 15 seconds. So you're going to have powered on, and then just like you want to press the Bluetooth button, now you're going to press the volume up button at the same time, and you're going to hold it. Maybe it's going to work out. The next thing that you can try to do is that you want to try to do the play button, volume up button, and minus button, the volume down button, at the same time, and again just hold it, and maybe it's going to work out. So let me down below in the comments, and have a great day, and goodbye.